Right, this video is to show you how to use Outlook's mail merge function, presented by Leland Bartlett of Riproar Training and Consulting. That's me, I'll be your host. Some skill levels. Should be proficient with Microsoft Outlook and comfortable using Microsoft Word. Recommendation before we actually get started is turn off your Wi-Fi connection because this is a practice session, mail merge to your email, and it will be sent out. And I recommend that you turn it off so they get stuck in your outbox and you can delete them after the session is over. The steps we're initially going to take, just as a real quick overview, we're going to open up Outlook, navigate to our contact folder to use in the mail merge. We're going to change the view of the contact folder. We're going to customize the view of it by removing any groupings. It defaults to grouping by company name. We're going to add a filter to remove some bogus characters out of our contact list and add a filter to limit the target of the mail merge. Just a note here, limits to the mail merge. Attachments through Outlook cannot be sent with Microsoft Outlook. So in other words, you can't attach a resume, a picture, or anything like that. It has to be just straight text. There is a way, but it involves finding and or being willing to write VBA custom code. But that is also why I'm going to show you a add-in for Outlook in our next session. It's called Easy Mail Merge for Outlook, and you can bypass Word and actually have attachments in there. We'll talk more about that in our next session. All right, the first thing we're going to do is open up Outlook like we've done and navigate to the People folder and find the contact folder that we want to use in our mail merge. In this case, it's Lincoln for me, TRG. And when you've imported contacts, by default, it comes up in what they call the People view. And you can find the different views available up on your ribbon under the Home tab, Current View. You notice that the People is chosen here. For me, I like the List view. It's easier to see my contacts this way, and also I like to sort on different fields, and this is a much easier way to do this and see more of your contacts at one time. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove a grouping that is inherent with this view. If you notice right here, it shows you, it says Company None, 156 items. And when I collapse that, you can see that my contacts are listed here under each company, and that makes it hard to sort by name or job title. Only thing it's really good for is by company in that sense. So I want to remove that for ease of use and ease of viewing. So I'm going to right click on any one of the column headings and choose View Settings. And you can see here's a button Group By, and it says Company. Go ahead and click on the Group By, and in the drop down box we're going to scoot all the way to the top and choose None. Click OK and click OK, and you'll notice, boom, all of the groupings are gone. There's no more company name up here. Now the second thing we're going to do is just show you a quick way to filter out some bogus data. If you notice here in this particular contact, Art Attar, he's got question marks in it. That is also inherent with imports, depending on how they set it up or how the import interpreted a particular character. It may put a question mark or some other bogus data. But for just ease of use, we're going to try and get rid of any contacts that have a question mark in their name. So again, we're going to go up to Job Title or to a column heading. Anyone is fine. Right click, choose View Setting. Then we're going to choose Filter. Click on the Advanced tab. And in the field box, sorry about that. In the field box, under Frequently Used Fields, we're going to find Full Name. And we don't want it to contain question mark. And we're going to add it to our list. Click OK. Click OK. And there we go. There are no more contacts with a question mark in it. Now to sort by any particular field, you can click on the column heading as you just saw me do, and notice there's a little triangle saying now it's ascending and this is descending. And I'm going to scroll up to the top, and there's starts with Z. We're going to click the other way. Again, scroll back to the top, and there's our A's. You can see this first contact still has some bogus characters in it. We can't get rid of it all. It's a very challenging task, so we're just going to try and do as minimal as possible in this particular session. Now the next thing we're going to do is we want to limit our contacts our mail merge to a subset of the total. I have about 3,000 in here, and that's a lot to send. So maybe I just want to send this email to CEOs of companies. So again, I just want to keep the job title to CEO. I'm again going to right click on any one of the column headings, doesn't matter which one, choose View Settings, Filter, and again go to Advanced. In the fields, go to Frequently Used Fields, and we're going to choose Job Title, and this time we want it to contain CEO, and we're going to add it to the list and click OK, and then OK again. And if we look down our job title list, it looks pretty good. Okay, we're actually going to do the Outlook mail merge process. Brief overview is in the Home tab of Outlook under Action section. We're going to choose Mail Merge. We're going to fill out a quick pop-up. Word's going to open up. We'll write the email. We'll show you how to insert some mail merge fields, how that data from Outlook displays in our mail merge email. Then we'll do the mail merge and actually combine the data with the form email. Fill out a quick pop-up of how to do that. Then we're going to go to our Outbox in Outlook and see the data there populate. And finally, please remember to turn off your Wi-Fi connection if you do not want to send these emails. Otherwise, some folks may be getting some random emails from you and not understanding why. Anyway, next step is let's do the mail merge. Okay, to do the actual mail merge, under your Home tab, you'll find a section called Actions. In there, there's the mail merge. Go ahead and click the mail merge button. A pop-up displays, and leave everything at the default for right now. The only thing we need to change is that what we're going to merge to. It's a form letter, and we're going to merge to an email. And then it's going to ask us for a subject line, which is nice, so we don't have to put it in every email. And we're going to say training sample email delete. Okay, simple as that. Click OK, and Word's going to open. Now, the nice thing about being in Word is that you get all the functions and capabilities that Word has to offer. There's no limit here, so you can do all your formatting how you like and change fonts how you like. So I'm going to start typing, and I'm going to say, Dear whomever. I need to insert a mail merge field. So in the Mailings tab, under it says Insert Merge Field, and this will look real familiar to how we added or adjusted the column settings in Outlook. And we're just going to scroll down until I'm going to use first name. Put a comma. Then as the, and I'm going to put in the title. So I'm going to use another merge field. You can use job title. Of, and then another one, company name, or company. Just a simple email for this example. Okay, so let's say this is as complete as you want it for this particular mail merge. You may want to see how it's actually going to look with your data in it. So again, under the Mailings tab, there's a Preview Results. If you click on that, it replaces the fields with actual data. You can scroll through your data with the navigation triangles up here and go to the next record. And of course, you can go to the first and last as well. Now, something I like to do is make sure that I know which fields are highlighted and not, because if I edit this, so this is a neat function. Again, under the Mailings tab, it's going to say Highlight Merge Fields. That way I don't accidentally delete them in my editing. Once you're satisfied with your email, under the Mailings tab again, it's Finish and Merge. Now, I haven't turned off my Wi-Fi. I'm going to do that right now. And it comes up with a note letting me know that I did that. And I'm going to choose Finish and Merge. Send email. And mail format. Now, you can minimize, again, the number of records you want to send to, but let's assume for this particular training that we're going to send it to all of them. And we're going to click OK. So nothing to change here. There's our, you can see how the emails are now pending in our outbox. That's it. Congratulations. You've successfully done your first mail merge. Videos to come. How to use Outlook Add-in Easy Mail Merge. We'll do that next. How to install social connectors in Outlook for LinkedIn and Facebook. And a neat one to look forward to is 3 functions in Excel 2013 that I think will have you saying, that's cool, good to know, and it improves my efficiency using Excel. Look forward to talking to you soon. This training has been provided by Rip Roar Training and Consulting. My name is Leland Bartlett, and you can contact me at rip-roar-training@outlook.com. Phone number 817-945-6844.